How's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy, and today got a very brief and cool video coming at you. So in this video, I just want to be explaining to you my new setup that I have going right now, what my plans are for the future for video content. So right now I'm doing some video tutorials, which are doing really well on Xbox. So if you guys want to see more, make sure to leave a like on this video and comment down below and let me know that you want to see more Xbox tutorials. So when it comes to product reviews, as you can see, I'm using a brand new 1080p webcam that I just got. It was super affordable, and it works great. I can adjust all the colors and whatnot, and it's super sharp, and it's really wide angle too. And I also have my microphone hooked up, so my audio is really clean. So what I'm planning on doing, and I have another webcam coming shortly, is I'm going to be taking this webcam, hooking it up on a tripod, and pointing it down at my desk, and also have another webcam in this same position. So I have two webcams, and one's going to be pointed down at my desk so I can so you can see my hands actually touching and using a product, whatever that product may be that I'm reviewing, and the other I can switch back and forth so you guys can actually see my facial expressions and whatnot. So that's basically what I have for my new setup. I hope you enjoy this quality of the webcam. I think it's really solid, and it's really easy to record on OBS, and it should be really easy to switch back and forth between the two, between scenes, if I want to go to my hand shot or if I want to go to my face. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this, make sure to smash that like button. Remember, every like counts. It promotes my videos in search results and suggested videos. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe for awesome content coming in the future. I'll have more Xbox tutorials posted soon. You guys let me know if you have any suggestions for that. I'm open to anything. If you guys have any questions, I can explain it to you. Or any sort of videos you want me to make in the upcoming future. I'm always down to do whatever you guys want to see. Quick shout out to my podcast. Go give that a follow and a listen. Available on all platforms at Life Made Easy Podcast. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can also become a member, or you can also support me by getting some merchandise off my shop. That's always linked in the description if you guys are ever interested in copying some Life Made Easy merchandise. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video, whatever that might be. Peace.